You're doing things every day that are literally making you uglier without noticing. 1. Drinking energy drinks. Energy drinks quietly wreck your skin and your energy. Most cans contain 40 to 60 grams of sugar, plus additives that spike cortisol, the stress hormone that leads to acne, inflammation, and terrible sleep. If you're drinking these daily, you're basically attacking your skin from the inside. Switch to water, electrolytes, or black coffee for a clean boost. 2. Having bad posture. Slouching instantly makes you look insecure and look less attractive. Your shoulders roll forward, your neck sticks out, and your presence drops by 50%. Studies show people judge your confidence by posture in the first 3 to 5 seconds. Stand tall, chest open, chin neutral. You'll look better and feel more powerful. 3. Touching your face. Your hands touch your phone, door handles, keyboards. Thousands of bacteria. When you touch your face, all of that goes straight into your pores. This is one of the fastest ways to trigger random breakouts. Want clearer skin? Stop touching your face. It's that simple. 4. Staying in bed. Too long lying in bed after you wake up feels comfortable, but it's terrible for your body. Low muscle activation and low circulation can actually contribute to muscle loss and lower energy levels over time. Sit up, stand, walk, anything that increases blood flow. You'll feel more awake and look more energized immediately. 5. Foods that secretly cause acne. Some of the biggest acne triggers are everyday foods: burgers, fried foods, chocolate bars, and surprisingly, whey protein. What do they all have in common? High sugar and high glycemic load. They spike your insulin, which increases oil production and inflammation. 2 major acne triggers. If you're active but still breaking out, try switching to a plant-based protein for a few weeks. 6. Neglecting your nails. Dirty, long, uneven nails instantly signal poor hygiene. You don't need a manicure. Just trim, clean, and file them. It takes 5 minutes and massively improves your overall presentation. 7. Hiding your forehead. Here's the wild one. Research in facial perception shows that people with visible and well-proportioned foreheads are often seen as more attractive and intelligent. It signals symmetry, genetics, and strong facial structure. Stop hiding it with hats or hair in your face. Show your forehead. Your entire frame looks better. Fix these 7 habits and your whole appearance changes fast. If you want more straight up, no BS content that actually makes you better, hit subscribe.